Caddx sent over their Protos, and we're going to unbox it and have a look at what's in there. We are at the Birmingham Tiny Whippers regular meetup, and this get rid of that, is the Caddx Protos with their new ascent system. Very nice. So I'm going to take a look at it and see what we get. Loads of things. So that's what you get in the case. A nice looking controller, a set of goggles. Quite good. It's got the Protos drone, which is smaller than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like an 85mm, but it looks like a 75mm sort of platform. We got 3 batteries, some sort of charging. No, that's the battery for the headset, and a charger for the battery. So, yeah, nice. So we'll charge those up and get it flying.
If you plug it in, hopefully it's not going to blow someone out the sky. Do you know what channel it's on?
It's digital.
Oh, it's digital?
Yeah, it's its own new digital system.
Oh, is this the Caddx one?
This is the Caddx, the new Ascent one. Yeah. So.
Oh, it clips in secure, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's proper solid when you clip it in. But we'll get it charged up and then we'll get everyone to have a go.
There's the blue light.
Okay, cool. I'm not sure how to turn these on, but yeah, leave it now. So it should come on in a sec.
Yeah.
Can you try it out next?
Yeah, you can try it. That is really cool. Yeah, it makes you look like a cyborg.
This is exactly what I'd want from my dog.
Yeah, definitely. More LEDs is more better.
Yeah. It's loading up.
There you go. And then slide the battery in.
Nice LEDs on the drone as well.
Yeah, they're
really good.
So what do you reckon to the video?
The screen is nice. Oh, that's really nice. That's really nice. It doesn't get in your way, which is nice. Like you have a nice view of the whole screen.
Yeah, it's really wide, isn't it?
Oh, that's actually really good. That's really good. All right, let's try for that.
Bilal taking his first flight with the Protos, with the new digital ascent system. What do you reckon to that?
So the screen is very nice. You can see things very clearly. And
When you crashed, what happened?
the video went up.
It went out?
The video went up.
This was quite surprising, as no other FPV systems do this, and so I reached out to Caddx to find out, and they said that, quote, actually this is designed to protect newcomers. It took about, what, 10 seconds maybe?
Yeah, 10 seconds, which you really don't want happening mid-flight. The flight itself is pretty stable. The screen is alright, controls are alright. But yeah, that crash. It's in there secure, so at least you won't worry about it coming up.
But you flew it in acro, and what do you reckon? Handle okay?
Very stable.
Stable.
Very stable.
Yeah.
For videoing, which I think this is what it's targeted. It's stable and it's clean. So that's good.
So you use glasses. You have to let me know if it's clear, even though you use glasses. Can you put the glasses in?
Yeah. I mean, my glasses don't fit in, but those slim glasses could.
So do you fly acro or angle?
It's on acro right now.
You're on acro, okay, you're in the right mode then.
Yeah, but
Can you see clearly?
it's clear, but this goggle is so weird for my face.
Yeah.
The rates are very slow. They're super slow.
Rates are slow, aren't they?
Yeah.
You can turn the rates up, which is good. And it's better now?
Yeah, it's better, but it's still sluggish on the roll axis.
Okay. What happened?
The video went off after the crash.
Yeah, as soon as you touch it.
Yeah.
I'll go and rescue you.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Yeah, the video is super stable, but I don't like it. I don't like when the video goes off when it crashes. So if it stays on, even if it crashes, that would be nice. But and the rates are pretty slow. I think even for a beginner, it's pretty slow. So the rates.
I suppose that's good for a beginner, but
yeah, I mean it feels a lot of sluggish. So I reckon the rates could be better.
okay. Yeah, so what do you reckon of the camera?
Yeah, the camera's really nice. Oh my god, you can see loads.
The screen's massive, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a... Oh, it's mirrored. Right, okay. Take it, that's on.
That's it, yeah.
Oh, I see, yeah. That's really clear. Oh, I see what you mean, yeah, so the camera's froze.
We come back.
I need to set the start. Okay. Oh, I see, I think the camera disables itself when it flips. Because when I flipped it back over, it was fine. That's really nice. Ooh. I'm not used to these controls because the backwards are I using. Wow, that's really good quality, that is. Right, so it's in flip mode. So why is it not arming?
Because you've got the throttle at 0.
Throttle at 0.
Yeah, now move the stick. There you go.
Oh, there we go.
It's like normal.
It's loud, isn't it? But it's nice. It's weird to get used to these controls. That's nice though. The camera quality is really nice. I like the headset, that's really good. It's like Tron.
Yeah.
Can you change the colour?
I don't know. Probably.
Oh, that's so like nice to fly. if I got used to the controls, that would probably be a lot better.
It goes into a low power mode when it's not armed.
That's what that's saying. Yeah, standby mode, low power RF. Right, I see. That could be comfy though, because there's no padding there. And this, can you adjust it? Oh, you can adjust it.
You can adjust it. I find it's a little bit on the slack side. I want it tighter personally.
Yeah, I would tighten it up loads. But just a bit of padding here would be nice. Because that's right on the bridge. But you see that's tight, that's a tight space there. It's nice though. I'm going to take that out because that's really nice. Oh, okay, that's actually not too bad. That's really nice actually. It's a tiny package.
The idea is similar to a 75mm. Yeah.
Okay.
It's just the body of it makes it look chunkier.
Yeah. This is nice though. It's protected.
Yeah, you seem to be like there's like little plastic feet. You're landing quite close to the VTX, like that square in the middle.
That's the VTX.
Is the VTX, I think. It's the bit that gets hot.
Oh, it's heat sink.
It's the bit that gets hottest. Yeah.
Oh, that's actually quite nice. But everything's really neat and tidy though. It's like it's safe.
Yeah, it's about as safe as a drone's going to get, isn't it?
Because you're not going to get to the props is a lot harder.
Yeah, the ducts are good and deep.
Yeah.
You're not going to accidentally, touch something.
That's really nice.
What do you reckon of flying it, other than your dodgy controls?
Yeah. No, it's smooth, which is good.
Because you fly an angle like me.
Yeah, but I've got my roll and you're the wrong way around.
Yeah, because you fly on the wonk, whereas everybody else flies mode 2.
Oh, cool! The screen divides back to a back. Oh, that's way better. Why can't more controllers do that? Because this is just got a backdrop now. It's not.
Yeah. It's not got random crackles. It's got a nice kind of Caddx logo there.
Yeah, that's really nice actually. Because I can see the OS and everything. Okay, that's nice. I like that. Oh, that's such a nice headset.
The headset's really cool. I love the
It
headset.
looks like Tron.
Yeah. It's the lightest, it's like the lightest box goggle I think I've ever used. But that's probably because the battery's not in it.
Can I turn it off?
Yeah, I think you can just pull that out.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. Because my old Ishin goggles with the barrel thing. Does that come out?
Yeah, you can pull it out.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. And you've got power indicator on, which is even nicer. Okay.
I'm not sure about having 3 different plug sockets in one package because you've got USB-C to charge the battery. You've then got random proprietary male and female connector.
This could be one single cable
then-
because I'm never going to take the cable off the battery.
Yeah.
That could be this could be wired internally, and that's it.
No, I don't mind that it's like a separate cable because it means if it breaks, you can replace it.
Yeah.
But I don't like that it's a random proprietary connector. I
Yeah.
think if it was another barrel plug, that would be better, or an XT30, that would be better.
An XT30.
Maybe, is that XT30 that actually thinking about it? I don't know, it looks sort of XT30 like.
Similar. If it is, that'd be nice. Just says output. Okay. Oh. That's a nice pack though. I like that, and the fact that it's USB powered.
Well, I'm going to turn the controller off because it's beeping at me, and I've only had it on for like, I don't know, 5 minutes. Literally, we've flown.
Well, that's because it's not connected though.
We've flown 3 batteries, and it's already complaining about low battery.
That's light. It's nice. These are light for what they are.
Yeah, the goggles are really nice and light. I like
And the box goggle styles, which I prefer.
Yeah, I know you like box.
But also, you get just on one big screen. You haven't got the you haven't got the issue with
interpupillar distance.
Yeah, the distance,
yeah. I mean, it's fixed, so they've got like some sort of lens in there, so you can see wider. So it like means it's nicer on your eyes, so you're not having to like cross your eyes to look at one screen. It
The
has
only
a nice.
problem I've got is my nose is hitting this, and I'm against it.
It's not fitting quite your nose properly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Well,
this is really nice.
we won't talk too much about your nose.
Oh, has it got fans?
There's some sort of vents in there. I don't know if there's a fan. I didn't hear any fan
It's
start.
probably vented.
Yeah.
Even the SD card location's nice because that's out the way. Because then all this is clean. Oh, that's nice. How they've done that. Oh, it's not rivets, it's screws. That's even better. Because that means it's fixable. They're little screws. They're really nice. That's a much nicer way of doing it. Okay, I like that.
So you turn it on, yeah, there. So it should be on now.
No?
But it takes time to load up. Haven't quite worked out how to turn the thing on, not going to lie. It's a little complex.
Is there any buttons you have to do, or you just press that?
Well, that's it. I don't know. It looks like it's on, but I'm not sure it is.
No, I think that's like DeWalt batteries and just giving you power indication.
Is that on now?
Oh, now it is.
Yeah. So I'm not sure what you've got to do to press the battery.
But I was pressing that as well.
No, it's something on the battery.
The splash screen is really nice though.
Yeah, the splash screen's really good. Hey, there are the LEDs.
Yeah, because I'm not getting spammed with static. I'd read the manual before I put this in, but I haven't read it yet, so I'm just wondering what bits do.
Yeah, but you know how people are at Christmas. Nobody's going to read the manual before giving it a go.
I do.
You do, yeah.
Because I want to know what I can do. That is nice though. I like how light it is.
Yeah, it sits on the head
So I
properly.
can't do this with my box GoPro goggles. But I can walk around now. And then, yeah.
I find the strap a little bit. I want it to be a little bit tighter.
Yeah.
If I do it up tighter, I feel like it's
Similar
going
to how
to.
the Oculus and stuff do it with the strap over the top as well.
Yeah, I could do.
Because that stops it from sucking down, which is what it's.
No, it's not that. I just want it held harder onto my face because I feel like I'm getting a bit of gaps around the edge of my eyes.
Yeah, like this is too flexible.
Yeah.
It's nice though.
It's comfy. It's very comfy. And so that was the Protos. So what do we think? Well, it is a good starter drone. It's certainly the cheapest full set you can get that is HD, so that'll be good for some people. It was a bit disconcerting when the VTX turns off when you crash, but I reached out to Caddx and they said that's a feature, not a bug. So that'll hopefully protect the VTX, stop it from blowing up, which is nice. I really love that it all comes in a package. The battery is a charger, goggles, handset, controller, the lot. It's all in one package, so it's really easy to get started. It's a 75mm platform, which in our environment is a little bit big. So in places like this where it's quite tight, it might be a little bit on the powerful side, but the fact that you can slow it down is really good. Did seem to have a little bit of jitter on like full throttle, but I'm sure, you know, with some tuning or an update that might be dealt with. It is neatly positioned at the 100 gram mark, which is one of those new regulations that's coming in. They keep lowering the weight limits, and so the drone manufacturers just keep making them lighter. So that's good that it'll come under the weight limit. And it is coming in at a very competitive price compared to one of the other really good starter sets, the Beta FPV Cetus Pro, which is the same sort of size. This comes in at a similar price. I think it's like $20 or $30 more. But this one's full HD and the video quality is really, really good. So it's very, very compelling product if you are looking to get into FPV. This could be a really good gift for someone who's, you know, maybe expressed an interest. So check it out. It's a really good system. I'm looking forward to seeing how the Ascent system deals kind of progresses in future, and maybe we'll see it on some freestyle quads and some other quads as well. So well done, Caddx. Good product. Hopefully we'll see a few people come after Christmas to Birmingham Tiny Whippers and check it out. So thank you, bye.